Good afternoon to you, Mr. Sharafuddin, and your first reaction to this order from the Uttar Pradesh government.
I strongly recommend that Yodi government should keep on providing the security to the small Hindu girls who are being raped rather than concentrating on
please talk about this issue. Let's stick to the topic.
Is allowed by the government of India according to the constitution, and it can be done anywhere.
Yes.
Look at the temples in Assam, how the animals are being sacrificed in open grounds over there. Look at the temples in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana.
Yes, but Mr. Sharafuddin, Islam also there's a preaching that if someone is uncomfortable with the sacrifice, it can be performed in private.
Show me a single verse from the Quran and the Hadith, I will agree with those non-Muslims. Without the knowledge, the ignorance are speaking about Islam and Hinduism.
No, I am just quoting what the Muslim clerics told us.
No Muslim cleric can quote anything against the Quran and the authentic Hadith. If he is quoting that, he is not a Muslim cleric but a paid mullah according to me. A Muslim cleric always have to give the reference from the Quran and the Hadith, and that's what the demand, Islam demands. And nowhere the Quran and the Hadith prohibit sacrificing openly. It is completely allowed, and Yogi government should concentrate on the girls' security rather than concentrating on the
Qurbani is nothing but saving the people.
So please don't be disrespectful. Please don't be disrespectful, and please.
Question is to Ilyas Sharafuddin. And Ilyas ji, do you support the ban on Diwali crackers? Brevity will be appreciated.
This particular ban on firecrackers,
yes.
And I want that it should be there in the whole of India, so that the security of the human beings should be at the top priority.
Okay.
Everyone should be safe. They should breathe safe. The children should not die due to pollution. The elders should not die due to pollution. And this is not our tradition, and not even Ramayana supports it. So firecracker ban should be there.
You are such a socially committed human being. I congratulate you. A cleric like him should give an assurance that azans on loudspeakers and every right which you consider cultural, which disturbs other people physically, should be ended.
Does azan killing people? I want to ask a question to you. Does azan killing people?
Do you have any idea what noise pollution does? Don't be a hypocrite there. No, I'm sorry. I expected you to be the first person. I would have. You see, that's the problem.
100% logical. Fix the decibels for azan and for temples also. Well, for Ganesh Mandaps also.
Mr.
That no one should get harmed.
Mr. Sharafuddin.
I'm in favor of it.
Mr. Sharafuddin.
Is azan killing people? Not at all.
Mr. Sharafuddin.
Firecrackers are killing people.
Mr. Sharafuddin.
Because of that, I'm saying there should be a
Mr. Sharafuddin. Mr. Sharafuddin.
The firecrackers are killing children. The firecrackers are killing animals unnecessarily. The Qurbani is nothing but saving the people.
So please don't be disrespectful. Please don't be disrespectful, and please.
See, I want to say that when in Assam, Kamakhya Mandir, more than 2 lakh animals are being sacrificed in one day, openly in the ground, that time where are these sentiments? Why you don't consider the sentiments at that particular time? When people were shouting on the road, Ramzadeh and Haramzadeh or Mandir wahi banayenge, where are those sentiments have gone? Modi government is biased, Yogi government is biased only against Muslims. When the sacrifices are being done by the Brahmins in the temples, they are allowing it right from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana till Assam. And when it is being done by the Muslims, suddenly the sentiments are arising. It is nothing but they are trying to hide their failure in every department by creating such chaos and disturbances in the society.
So you see this as an attempt really to muzzle the religious practice of another community? In those words, would you say that's the case?
Yes, according to me, the case is the Yogi government is not good. It is good for nothing. It is not doing anything for the betterment of the UP people. Because just to divert the attention, they are starting all issues and trying to raise the sentiments of the people and provoking them to attack Muslims. See, they are polluting Ganga in the Kumbh Mela like anything. Ganga is the most polluted river in the world today because thanks to the Kumbh Mela. So they are polluting the rivers by themselves and blaming on others. I want to say that start learning the modern science against Yogis and Modis